Mizorama Sumdawng Hlawhtling ama kum rual puia Hlawhtling berte zinga mi shopa Judy's neitu Judy chuan shopa Judy's branch thar chu Ramhlun Node Ramhlun industry peng CoCo's cafe bulah shopa Judy's branch thar hawng le thar shopa Judy's branch thar hi zone director thar tato an hawnga heguna hian Mizorama milar tele entrepreneur lama tholok tak te ama chen rual tha te le chu khat leina ten an man pui ani Shop at Judy's branch thar hon na chu October ni thum sang ni som pakwa ni nga zandar sarila chan ve hian CoCo's cafe Ramhlun no ta hun manani a he hun hi zo nunin kai shwain Shop at Judy's neitu Judy pa in lom na le pathian hne na hlan na hun amanga Judy hian chung in mail chat tirna an zo nu hian shopa Judy's bulah aron chan chau dan asaya sangni som panga a Instagram account na changa asungdon chan dan te tundin huna thlen theina chan chu anu le pa ten an rin ngam wang le an rin tok awang nia a hriat thu te asoi ba ka ama support chin tu a chen le rual te hena lom thu asoi ni Shop at Judy's branch thar hong tu zone director thar tato chuan thu toy asaya tato chuan ral khat changa Shop at Judy's lo hriat thu te asaya TV advertisement le hoardings engma ti silova heti ang sumdawn na mi te hriat kai ani thei chu makati thu asaya heti anga sumdawn na kalpui hi anom zen zena arin lo thu asai bok tato hian thu sei zo hian shop at Judy's Dawr thar chu chep hongin shop at Judy's branch thar chu a hawng ta ani